developing some point of sale system. Okay. Point of sale system is a billing system. Listen carefully. Okay. It's a billing system. This is a product we are developing. Now, if you are a product owner, what kind of system you are going to develop, you only see only this. Your focus is only this. What kind of product are we developing? Are we planning technical team to develop? So what must be the goal and vision I want to achieve? This must be the context. If you are a product owner, you think. But if you are a product manager, you need to have a complete understanding over the product life cycle. You need to complete understanding over the product life cycle, right? So right from inception to the development, inception to completion, I can say. Okay, completion means you need to understand what kind of product. Means if you are a product owner, okay, if you are a product owner, what kind of product are we developing? First point. In what way it is useful and useful to us. Next. Okay. If you are a product owner, okay, these are the things. Second, who are our competitors? Who are our competitors in that particular, because whenever we are developing a product, we'll have some competitors, right? Competitors. Who are our competitors? Okay. Next. What, which area? Targeted area. Okay. What is our targeted area? Okay. Targeted customers. Next, how different our product when we are comparing from the competitors. This is where generally, what is your USP, unique selling proposition? What is your USP? Because see, for example, you developed a product, right? You are going to the market, your team. The very first thing people will ask you, why should I buy your product? Right? Why should I buy? Because there are a lot of products available. Why should I buy? So you need to create a inclination to the people that this product is certainly useful and create a business value. If that kind of mindset customer got, customer will buy. If customer feel that this is no way useful to me in value, in improving my value of the business, why should they buy? Okay, so you need to create that inclination to the customer. That's important, especially product success in this now, because there are a lot of products you see in the market. I think you might have seen. Technically, the product is very good, features, everything was good, but maybe failure for different reasons. Marketing, they may not be done proper marketing. Maybe pricing strategy, they have not put the right pricing strategy, right? That is also important. So pricing strategy important. Pricing strategy means how much price you are putting, right? All the next, what are all the features are you providing? Finally, above all, what is the life of this product? And what is your observation of this? You are developing this product. You need to have. So this is where generally, if you are a product owner, this kind of mindset you need to be having. Because the person who is coming from the product owner role may not be having all this kind of mindset. All these kind of experiences. Do you remember? Understood? Lola, Devanshi, Garima, Raha, Samira. Clear? You're listening
Yes,
or not?
yes. But so the product owner is just so when you say define the goal, that's for a product owner now. Define the goal and the vision. So the product owner is just getting an understanding of what the product is going to do and
I'll
vision.
write.
So
I'll
the
write down the points. I will write down the points. You will be understood. For example, if you are a product owner, okay. Example I'm taking is point of sale system. Okay, I'm taking this point of sale system as an example. I'll explain from this context. If you are a product owner, first point, what business goal we wants to achieve? Okay, based on the business decision. Again, this is all based on the business decisions what you have, what kind of business goal or business goals we wants to achieve. How soon we wants to achieve. In this process, how this POS, for example, you are planning to develop some POS system. Okay, for example, in this process, how this POS will provide a value addition to improve my business, and how should it looks like? This sort of understanding, if you are a product owner, you must be having. Understood, Lola? Clear?
yes. So
Go
we
ahead. Next,
who writes the vision statement? Is that a product manager or
team.
the business?
Product, see, vision, see, for example, you owns the business, Lola. For example, you owns the business. Let's say, for example, let us say you are having a retail store. For example, you are a business owner. You have one store. Okay.
Mm.
Who knows who will create the vision? You are the one who create the vision. Am I right? What is your vision of your business you want to achieve in future? What is your goals? Being a business owner or the business team, whoever the management team, you guys will decide it, first of all. Am I right?
Yes.
So what is your business goal? You want to your business goal, for example, I'll give you the scenario here. Okay. Guys, listen carefully. For example, I'll write down the business scenario so that you will be understood much better more. For example, business scenario. I think this clarifies to you, all of you. Okay, business scenario. There is a retail store called named as XYZ. Right, so retail store called XYZ. They were managing this business for the last 20 years in a particular location. Now, next generation came. Listen carefully. Okay, next generation came. And they want to expand their business. They want to expand their business. If they want to expand their business, they have two options. Based on the interaction they had with all that, they have two options. What are options? Either first, they geographical expansion. Geographical expansion, right? So expanding stores in multiple places is what something which they can do. Geographical expansion. Second, online sales. Second, online sales. Now, if you want to have a geographical expansion, means you want to open multiple stores in coming 8 days, right? So either it can be 3 store, 4 store, 5 store, and all that. So if it is a geographical expansion, right? So these are two options in context to the business goal, what you guys want to achieve. In this process of business expansion, you require some capital. To invest. Point. This is in your hands. This is in your hands because how much money it is required and the place selection, everything is in your hands. Depends on the place selection, how big the store you want to open, and capital, how much capital required. That's all something. Next, second point, make sure the business activities should improve in the same way as we expect. Okay. So what are the business activities here? Billing system must be accurate. Billing system must be accurate. Point number one. You require, because multiple stores means you have, for example, one POS, you require 5 means 5 POS. Billing system must be accurate. Next, you want to streamline your supply chain management process. Next, you want to make an effective inventory management system. So that products, so that stock management will be easier. Now, as part of your business goals which you want to achieve, these are the things which you required. Lola, listening. Devanshi, Garima, Raha, Samira.
Yes,
Listening.
we are listening.
Okay. Now, if it, for example, one more option you have, what was that? For example, you want to, in spite of the geographical expansion, because it is taking a lot of money, investment, cost, right? Everything is that. Now, what we want to do, you want some online sales, means you want to create some online. So what you want? So for this, you require an online shopping portal.
Marketplace, you mean?
Huh?
Marketplace is like that.
Sorry, I don't get you.
Marketplace for Facebook, Marketplace or Amazon Marketplace.
Okay.
So is that also part of online, like, or do we have to set up a different
No, we are creating
site?
our own online shopping portal. We are creating our own online shopping portal, something like Amazon.
Okay.
We are creating our thing. Online sales, we are
Okay, separate, like
separate. We
new
require an
website.
online
Okay.
shopping, yes, separate. For example, okay, as part of your goal you want to reach, you require an online shopping portal. Next, when you are improving the online shopping portal, there must be even the same, because whatever the streamlining of a supply chain process, this also should be very accurate. Okay, supply chain process must be improved. Understood? Clear, everyone? Yes, sir. Right?
Yes.
So if you are reaching a business goal, if you are having some vision, what is your vision? Vision is to expand your business in different places, is your vision, as part of your vision, because every organization will have some different things. The first one is vision. Every organization, I am not naming any company, every organization will be having a vision. They'll be having some vision statement. Vision is on top, mission statement next. business goals and objectives. These business goals and objectives might be different, multiple business goals and objectives. Next, to implement that, you require some business strategy. You require some business strategy. Next, if you want to implement this business strategy, you require some tactics. This is where it comes under implementation. Okay. Now, here is a business scenario. What is the business scenario? A store owner wants to have two different options. For example, you are taking the first one. For example, right? Geographical expansion is being a business owner. You have decided. What is the first thing you want to do? You want to make your billing system more accurate. Now, what you do? First of all, you as a team study. You as a team study how is this working? In what way this can be improved in coming days? So this clarity is required. This clarity is required. To whom it is required? For a business owner, it is required. Now what you do? This job will be assigned by you to someone whom we called as a product owner. Understood? Clear? Everyone. Lola, Devanshi, Garima, Raha, Samira. Yes or no?
Yes.
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 Understood?
Yes,
Clear?
yes, sir.
Right. If you are a product manager, then it is a different story because I already told you so that I am not going into product manager. Okay, leave about project management for some time. Now, if you are a product owner, what you have, first of all, for example, in your business, they have appointed you as a product owner. Let's say, for example, customer has not appointed. So what they do now, second, what is that they do? To develop the solution. To develop the solution. What kind of solution? Team will decide, okay? And how feasible, that's all comes under the next part. To develop the solution, they require some IT team who should develop this. Okay. For example, we have identified some team. Okay. Now, what product owner do? Product owner explain the goal and vision, what they want to achieve in their business. Subsequently, in what way we want to improve the performance of POS system. To whom he'll explain, this will be explained to the technical team. Generally, by just way of explanation, if you give, won't be sufficient. What is that we have to do? Product owner should explain visually. This is the reason why we create, we as a product owner, a roadmap, or else we call it as timeline, using a tool called Zira. Understood? Clear? Everyone now?